have a fun one today. We have an air compressor. Hey everyone, it's Chris from Chris Travels, and today we are looking at an air compressor. This is a tankless unit. It's supposed to go up to 150 psi. The manufacturer of this unit is TEROMAS. It's a portable air compressor. AC and DC. Exciting stuff. You can plug it into 110 or 12 volt, which is important if you have an RV because you have both. So, see what we got. Inside, you got a nice little carrying bag. Really, really nice, keeping everything organized. See, this is what I like. I like organization. I like everything together. This is very important to me because things can get out of hand really quickly in the RV world. We have our manual, which I'm sure is in perfect English. So it'll be here as a cheat sheet in the event that we need some information. And we have a thank you card. Well, thank you. And thank you for watching this video. If you get any value out of this, smash that like and subscribe button. We're gonna have some fun today. Look at this thing. Look at this. Check that out. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's a gorgeous little unit. And what's really nice about this one is the hose goes along the back. It's in a channel. Check that out. Isn't that neat? Look at this. Really makes me happy when a company thinks like this. The reason why I feel this way is that in the RV world, space is such a luxury. It's such a premium that every square inch matters. Every square centimeter matters. You need to utilize your space wisely, and by doing something so simple as just rolling the hose up in the back of the unit. And if this thing works, it's going to be amazing. So what else do we have in here? We have the 12 volt power lead. That's pretty nice. And we also have the 110 or AC, we'll say AC, the AC power lead. So you have options. In an RV, at least on ours, we have an outside plug that we're able to utilize the 110. In order to get power to the unit, we need to supply it some power. So if we're going to be using our AC connector, we're going to push that right in there. Very snug, very secure. Looks like a lot of quality went into this device. Very, very nice. And if we're going to do the 12 volt DC, only goes in there one way. That's really nice. Only goes in there one way. I actually tried to put it in. And then when it go, check that out. Boom, it's in there. Snug. It's even got little ribs on there to keep it from coming out. Very, very nice. Very high quality. And we are ready to inflate some tires. Looks like we have a light here. Once we get some power to it, this will light up, which is nice if you're in the dark and you need to see stuff. And here's our power button. And it looks like we could set our PSIs. And what's really cool about this unit is it has an auto shut off. So you set it to the PSI that you want, and when it gets to that PSI, it shuts off. Yeah, I think that's about it. Here's the box. For those of you that want the specs, and do not use continuously for more than 10 minutes at a time. I'm excited. Let's go see if this thing works, shall we? So I just disconnected the tire pressure monitoring system, and you can see that we are showing a 0. So now we have our air compressor set to 80 psi. So let's hook her up. And we're showing 72 psi. image right oh my gosh, it works. And we're plugged into the side of our RV. This is a real world scenario where, what do you do if you need to air your tires up? I'm plugged into the side of our RV on our 110 AC line, and it's going to our TEROMAS air compressor, and I just inflated my outer dually to 80 PSI. Well, there you go. That was exciting. It worked great. This was amazing. This was an amazing purchase. It was very inexpensive on Amazon. I will post a link below for that. Check it out. They come in several different colors, so there's one for everybody. I'm really excited that this worked out. If you got any value out of this, smash that like and subscribe button. Check below for more videos. I invite you to watch them all. Hopefully you get some value out of all my videos. Comment down below. Is this something that you're thinking about doing? Did you know this product even existed? Do you use something similar? Let's find more toys to review and play with, shall we? Till then, this is Chris from Chris Travels. I'll catch you in the next one.